Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on with a new smartwatch from Timex, the Helix Smart. So Helix Smart is the latest smartwatch announced under the Helix branding. We have covered Helix branded smart bands previously. Now this is their new smartwatch, the Helix Smart, and it comes with good features for the price segment. It has heart rate monitoring, then you get SPO2 alarms, activity tracking, sleep tracking is there, then Find My Watch. It has a color display, so it has a lot of features included, and the pricing of the Helix Smart is 3995. That's almost close to 4,000 rupees. And how good is the watch for the price segment? What all features it offers and what all functions it has? That's what we are going to talk about in this video. So this is the unboxing and hands-on with the new Helix Smart. So before we get started to the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Helix Smart. So this is the Helix Smart, the smartwatch launched by Timex, and you can see what all functions it has. The notifications, Find My Watch, then you get color, touch display, optical heart rate, music control, water resistance feature, and then activity tracking, alarms, sleep tracking, long battery life, and oximeter, that's blood oxygen levels, SPO2 levels, multiple watch faces, and you can see the pricing is also mentioned. So we're going to do a quick unboxing first. So let's just open this. So there you go, you can see that the Helix smartwatch. Just keeping this aside, just open other aspects. So here we have the charging cable. So let's see how this charging cable works. So this is the charging cable. You can see it's a proprietary charging cable. So this is how you can charge it. Just snap onto the back panel, and you can see here this is how it snaps, and you can just plug this into any laptop or USB or even the power bank, and you can charge this. So we have a coating here, just peeling this off as well. So there you go, you can see that just it's a magnetic mechanism, very functional one. So it latches, and you can see that you can just charge it quickly using any power bank as well. So that's the charging mechanism. Then you get the manual here, Helix Smartwatch, the manual and all the functionalities are included here. Full touch LED and LCD display, and then you have the charging ports included. So everything is mentioned here. 160 mAh battery is included, polymer lithium battery is included. So heart rate, daily activity, sleep tracking, music control, BP, SPO2 notifications for all the popular apps are also included. So let's just boot the smartwatch and see the functionality. So now we are powered on the smartwatch. You can see here there is a button here, and you can just turn on the display using this button. Now this is a pretty good display actually. You can see the touch response feels quite okay, and you have the Helix branding here. The bezels are slightly on the higher side. You can see that the top and the bottom bezel seems slightly on the higher side. So that's the design. Now you can see here the side frame, it looks really nice. The chrome like finishing looks really good. Now you also have this button again. This is pretty well implemented. Now the strap can be easily removed. You can see that the strap mechanism can be easily removed. That's how you can use it, and you can easily remove it as well. So that's something which is pretty good. So you can change the strap as and when needed. So both the straps are pretty easy to remove, and you can see that the material quality also looks good. It is actually well built strap, and it's pretty lightweight as well. So the watch actually looks quite good. Now we have the Helix branding at the back as well. Now let's go to the features it offers. So this is the main home screen. So just press and hold this, and you can see that there are three options. So these are the three watch faces available. So this is one watch face, and this is one more watch face, and the one again as I showed you. So this is the home screen. So if from the home screen, if you just swipe, you get the steps counter. You can see the calories burned, the distance walked. Then if you just here you have the sleep monitoring. So deep sleep, light sleep, everything can be measured here. Then we have the heart rate monitoring. Then the BP monitoring is also included. Then you get the SPO2, the blood oxygen level. This is one thing which is really relevant in COVID time. So it also comes with the SPO2 measuring option. Then the sports tracking. So here we have walking, running, cycling, skipping, basketball, swimming. So a lot of activities are there. You can just select them which all you want. Again, these are some basic options included. Then we have the messages. What all messages you get here will be shown here. Then the camera control, once you pair it with the smartwatch, you can have the camera control mechanism. Then again, music control, you can control the music from your smartwatch on the device. Then going to the settings, here we have the stopwatch functionality. Then brightness is included. There you go, you can see that increase or decrease the brightness, whatever functions you want, you can change it. Then reset, power off. So these are the options. So these are the functions available. Now we'll just pair it with our smartwatch. So there is an app for this smartwatch. We'll show you how it works. So this is the app. We just won the Helix Smart smartwatch, and you can see that heart rate is being measured here. Now this is the app. I'll just have a run through of the app. So you can see here, this is the main functionalities. You can set your goal, your weight, and your height, and also the date of birth, so that it actually calculates the body mass index. So that's shown here. Then watch faces is the main functionality here, the first main functionality. So if you just see here, these are the watch faces available. So there are a bunch of watch faces to customize. That's pretty good thing. So you can basically select your watch face and then just tap on it, and it will update to the watch. It's kind of hassle-free experience. It does take a bit of time, but still it works pretty well. So we just tried updating, and it works really well. So there are lots of watch faces, in fact, so you can customize with lots of watch faces available. Then next option is we'll just go back, and here we have the body mass index, sleep monitoring. So you get the detailed sleep monitoring. Then heart rate, you can see that heart rate, you can actually measure it from here, or you can use the watch to measure. Then blood oxygen level, and you can see that you can also measure it from here. The normal values are mentioned here. Again, blood pressure, this is something which is quite useful. You can get the normal range, the systolic and the diastolic blood pressure is mentioned here. So you can also measure it from here. So these are the basic options. Then you get the steps you're done for the day, and the calories burned. So everything is available here. Then you can see that this is the settings. So alarm alert, you can set the alarm. The display settings, the time format you can set. The notification alert, for these apps you can get notifications, call, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Then do not disturb is there. You don't want to get disturbed with any notifications. Then you have this option of camera control. You can actually control the camera from the app. Then these are the options. You also get the music control option in the smartwatch. So this is the watch, and you can actually set the activity goals as well. So it looks quite good in terms of features being offered. Now the accuracy levels. Now we did a few steps and then counted it manually, and tried measuring it on the watch. Now we found that the watch steps were really accurate. The measurement of the steps were really good, and it was more or less accurate. We walked like 50 steps, and it actually measured 48 or 49 steps, which is really accurate. So that's something which is really good on this watch. So the steps tracking is really accurate. Now heart rate sensing, I would say around 90 to 95% of accuracy. We measured using external devices. So it was like 95% accuracy levels. Now the blood pressure is also kind of okay. Again, I would say 90 to 95% accuracy you will get. Again, you shouldn't be using these for medical purpose, because these are not for medical purpose. These are kind of indicative value. It may not be 100% accurate, which is quite understandable. Again, this is kind of information that you have this kind of blood pressure and heart rate, which is kind of a range of values. So basically it actually works pretty good. That's what we feel. For the price segment of 4,000 rupees, this is actually quite handy options to have the SPO2, blood pressure and heart rate, along with all the basic functionalities you get. So it's a well built watch, and it actually offers pretty good features as well. We just won the smartwatch, and we'll just show you the functionality. So you can see the steps tracking, the sleep monitoring, heart rate. I'll just press on it, and it will start measuring the heart rate. We'll just have a look at the heart rate. So there you go, the heart rate is measured. Similarly, if you want to measure the BP, so there you go, it is measured the BP. Then SPO2. So again it has measured. So it's really well equipped smartwatch in terms of features being offered at around 4,000 rupees. You get all the basic functionality including SPO2, BP and heart rate, which is really good. Now talking about the battery life, so this smartwatch gets you around approximately 5 days of battery life, which we feel is quite good. Again, it depends upon what all functionalities you use. If you use it for a longer activity, then probably the battery might not last 5 days, but on an average, if you're using for regular task, it might last for 5 days. So that's what the company claims. So this is the Helix Smart watch from Timex, and this comes with a pretty good features, and for a price of 4,000 rupees we feel it's a quite good offering. And it the highlight is again the SPO2, the heart rate monitoring, and also the blood pressure monitoring, along with pretty good accuracy levels as well. Now we have the pink version of the smartwatch. In fact, this also comes in black and blue color. We would have probably liked the black color, but we have got the pink variant with us. So again, you can choose based on what color you want. Black would be more pleasing, I feel. Personal favorite would be black, but again these are available in 3 colors. So that's the color options available for the Helix Smart. So this is the new Helix Smart smartwatch from Timex. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.